If you're a guy with a voice that sounds weak, too high, or just not powerful, I've got news for you. You're leaving attraction, respect, and even success on the table. But what if I told you there's a hidden method? Not looks, not muscles, but something deeper, something primal that can completely transform how the world sees you. Let me introduce you to something 99% of men ignore: voice maxing. You've probably tried improving your looks, your body, your style, but there's one thing that hits first before your clothes, before your jawline, your voice. That deep, calm, magnetic tone that makes people stop and listen. It's not just genetics, it's built. And today, I'll give you the tools to build it. Let me tell you something most guys don't know. Your voice, the sound, the tone, the delivery affects how trustworthy, attractive, and confident people perceive you. And here's the secret: you don't need to be born with a deep voice to sound like a leader. You can literally train it like a muscle. Put your fingers on your neck. Feel that tension? Those are your sternocleidomastoids. When they tighten, your voice pitch rises. But if you train and relax them, your voice drops. Try this: do neck crunches. Lay flat and lift your chin up and down like mini sit-ups for your throat. 3 sets of 20 reps daily. It feels silly, but record your voice before and after 30 days. You'll hear the transformation. Right now, breathe in. Did your shoulders rise? That's shallow breathing. It kills vocal depth. Instead, breathe from your stomach, from the diaphragm. Push your belly out as you inhale, not your chest. It feels unnatural at first, but once it clicks, your voice gains power and calm that demands attention. You think you drink enough water. You don't. Most people are walking around mildly dehydrated. And guess what? Dehydrated vocal cords are thinner, tighter, and higher pitched. Keep a big water bottle near you, at least 3 liters a day, and drink a full liter before meetings, dates, or presentations. Your voice will sound deeper instantly. This is a psychological trick. End your sentences on a lower tone, not a question mark. It subconsciously signals authority. Speak slower with intent and always drop your voice on the last word. Practice this. It makes a massive difference. Take a straw, blow bubbles into water while humming. Sounds ridiculous, right? But this warms up your vocal cords, increases airflow, and builds resonance. Do this before important calls or social events. It works. This one is a cheat code. Add a soft breathiness to your voice, almost like a sigh when you speak. Think Tom Hardy or Clint Eastwood. Record yourself doing it. You'll hear the difference instantly. Eliminate filler words. No, like, you know. These destroy authority. Use intentional pauses. Silence creates gravity. Let your words sink in. Read aloud daily. Choose anything, a novel, a script, and read with power. It trains delivery. Speak slowly. Rushing kills presence. Slow equals confident. Now you know the secret. Voice maxing isn't just about sounding better. It's about becoming someone who commands attention in every room. These techniques are free. They just need practice. So start today, because a powerful voice isn't given. It's built. Comment below if you've ever struggled with your voice, and I'll respond with tips.